Dear students of class 6 EM and BM, how are you? I hope all of you are very well and you are staying at home for coronavirus crisis and you are enjoying our online class. It's our expectation. Okay, welcome back from our online class. Today you are going to enjoy English second paper class, and today's topic is also changing voice. This is from your syllabus and it's a revision class. Okay, start and enjoy our class. Common rules for changing voice. Active voice subject is changed to passive voice object, and active voice object is changed to passive voice subject. Number C, a be verb will be used according to the subject and tense. D, principal verb will be verb 3 such as do, did, done. Here done form will be used. And last one, a preposition usually by will be used before object. Let's practice. Active. I write an article. I write an article. Here you will get write verb 1. So be verb will be am, is, are according to the subject. An article is written by me. Then they play football. They play football. What will be the passive? Football is played by them. Football is played by them. Then I see the man. The man is seen by me. The man is seen by me. Last one, mother cooks rice. Rice is cooked by mother. Rice is cooked by mother. From another slide, I ate rice. I ate rice. Here you will get verb 2. So be verb will be was or were. Rice was eaten by me. Am I right? Rice was eaten by me. Then Rina wrote a letter. Rina wrote a letter. A letter was written by Rina. Last one, she sang a song. A song was sung by her. From another slide, mother is cooking rice. Mother is cooking rice. This sentence will be start from rice. Rice is being cooked. Rice is being cooked by mother. Another one, mother was cooking rice. What will be the passive? Rice was being cooked by mother. Rice was being cooked by mother. Then last one, we shall be eating mangoes. Mangoes will be being eaten by us. From next slide, mother has cooked rice. Mother has cooked rice. So this sentence will be started from rice. Rice has been cooked by mother. Rice has been cooked by mother. Then Ali had caught fish. Ali had caught fish. Fish had been caught by Ali. Next one, we shall have eaten mango. Mango will have been eaten by us. Mangoes will have been eaten by us. Okay, from next slide, you must write the poem. You must write the poem. Here you will get a modal auxiliary must. So you have to use extra be. That means must be. The poem must be written by you. Next one, she may help you. She may help you. Passive. You may be helped by her. Last one, we should perform our prayers. Our prayers should be performed by us. Okay, now from interrogative sentence. First of them, active. Do you write an article? At first, we shall change this sentence into assertive sentence. You write an article. Then make it passive. An article is written by you. After that, we have to change into passive from interrogative. So, what will be the answer? Is an article written by you? Is an article written by you? In this way, where do they play football? Where is football played by them? Where is football played by them? Okay, now if you get did plus verb 1 in active, then you will change this sentence according to the structure. Did you recite the poem? Did you recite the poem? Was the poem recited by you? Was the poem recited by you? Then next one, when did Rina write a letter? When was a letter written by Rina? Okay, from next slide. Is mother cooking rice? Is mother cooking rice? Then what will be the passive? Is rice being cooked by mother? Then when was mother cooking rice? When was mother cooking rice? When was rice being cooked by mother? Last one. Shall we be eating mangoes? Shall we be eating mangoes? Will mangoes be being eaten by us? Okay, from next slide. Has mother cooked rice? Has mother cooked rice? How will be the passive? Has rice been cooked by mother? Has rice been cooked by mother? Next one. How had Ali caught fish? How had Ali caught fish? How will be the passive of this sentence? How had fish been caught by Ali? How had fish been caught by Ali? And last one, shall we have eaten mangoes? Will mangoes have been eaten by us? Will mangoes have been eaten by us? From another slide, may I help you? May I help you? Passive. May you be helped by me? May you be helped by me? Next one, why should you perform your prayers? Why should your prayers be performed by you? Remarkable. There are some remarkable or exceptional rules. Active. Do you practice English? Do you practice English? Passive. What will be the passive? Is English practiced by you? Is English practiced by you? What has he done? What has been done by him? Another sentence. Who is calling you? Who is calling you? How will be the passive? By whom are you being called? Are you being called? Last one. Whom did you see there? Who was seen by you there? Okay, the last sentence. Did you know him? Did you know him? Was he known to you? Was he known to you? Okay, dear students, last there is a rhyme, very exceptional and interesting rhyme. হু কাটো বাই হুম দিয়ে দূরে সরাও ডু, নো এর সাথে বাই দিও না, সেথায় দিও টু. Okay, dear students, no more today.